Hey Internet, welcome back to the channel. This is Varun, and in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the rear shock absorber on a Maruti Swift, step by step. If your car feels bouncy, unstable on bad roads, or makes knocking noises from the rear, worn shock absorbers could be the reason. In this video, we'll safely remove the old rear shocks and install new ones using basic tools, no fancy equipment needed. So if you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to understand how the job is done, stay tuned, let's get started. Before we start, make sure the car is parked on a flat surface, handbrake engaged, and wheels properly chalked for safety. First, loosen the rear wheel nuts slightly. Now jack up the car from the correct jacking point and secure it with jack stands. Safety first, never rely only on the jack. Next, remove the rear wheel completely. Now let's locate the rear shock absorber. You'll see the lower mounting bolt connected to the axle beam and the upper mounting nut inside the wheel well. Start by spraying some penetrating oil on both bolts. This makes removal much easier, especially on older cars. Remove the trim cover and using 17 mm ring and a plier remove the upper mounting nut and loosen it slowly. Once the nut is out, the shock absorber will come free. Loosen the 17 mm nut using a ring and remove the lower shocker. Remove the old shock absorber and compare it with the new one. Always check the length, mounting points, and bushings before installation. This is the rear shock absorber for the Maruti Swift. The packaging looks solid and well protected. Inside the box, we get the shock absorber itself, along with pre-installed bushings and mounts. Now install the new rear shock absorber. Carefully align the top mount and the lower mount. Align the lower mount and insert the bolt. Tighten the lower 17 mm nut firmly. First place the rubber bushing, then the washer plate, and finally thread the nut by hand. Fully tighten the nut. Make sure the rubber bushings are seated correctly and not overcompressed. Make sure everything is properly torqued and seated correctly. And that's it. Your Maruti Swift now has fresh rear shock absorbers, better comfort, and improved handling. Now refit the wheel, tighten the lug nuts. And lower the car back to the ground. Finally, torque the wheel nuts properly. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow Swift owners. This is Varun, signing off. Drive safe and wrench smart.